Hi there, Titans. Today we're going to be talking about publishing your project in Titan Web. Today will be a high-level overview of what it means to publish your project in Titan. We'll talk about how to publish. We'll talk about how to check the status of your project, whether or not it's a published project. And we'll talk about some high-level options for what you can do with your published project. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to your gear icon, and in the Overview tab, you'll see an option to check if your project is published or not. You can click on this gear icon, and you'll notice that you have a number of options. So first of all, we can publish our project from here. We can also set our project as inactive or active. And we can set the times or the dates that our project is available from and to. So for example, I can say that I only want people to be able to access this project between the 1st of May until, let's say, the end of July. Like that. And we can also give some text to let them know why it's expired or why they're not able to access this page. And we can also have them redirect to some URL once this is expired instead of showing them our custom page. All right. Now, of course, we can also decide to make our project not active at all. And we can turn off our project at any point like this so that no one will have access to this project. In order to publish your project, you'll come over here to this big pink button and you'll click Publish. Automatically, that will also launch your project preview. And here you'll notice that you have the URL that you can distribute in any way that you'd like in order for someone to be able to access your project. You'll also notice that we have a few different kinds of embed codes for iframe, embed, Salesforce communities. We'll be covering all of this in a separate video and how you can use these embed codes to actually add Titan to your own website. But now you'll notice that once we've actually published our project, I can see the last date that I published my project. And if I come into here, I can see that now this published tick mark is already switched on. All right, so in short, that's how you publish your project in Titan. In future videos, we'll go more into specifics about what you can do with your published project. Good luck.